Just got in, well, up to the house, and I got an email stating that I had a package delivered. I wasn't really expecting anything besides car parts, which won't be until tomorrow. So I ended up getting this package from Zippo. So they said, I think it was a 6 to 8 week turnaround for my lighter, but looks like it's ready to go. So let's unbox it and see what we got. If you didn't watch the prior video, then you will not know what I'm talking about, but this lighter fell out of my 68 station wagon frame, essentially when I was running fuel lines. The lighter is actually from 1968 according to Zippo, and it was just kind of rusted and rough, so we put it in a sonicator. This is what was sent back in the package. So this is the lighter, which I cleaned up in the sonicator. It came out pretty well. They left these stickers on there. Basically says, keep away from children, child resistant, read instructions for use. And then they sent back the old insert, which the issue was the flint was locked up right there. Not sure if this is gonna focus or not. Flint was locked up, and the actual lid was jacked up. So they sent that back. They sent that back, which will open in just a sec. And then they sent this back. I had asked them if they could refurbish the outside without actually damaging it. It says, dear Zippo customer, basically they can't do anything with the outside because it's got custom engraving, which I don't think it's custom engraved, but maybe those lines were custom engraved back in the day. I'm not sure. Anyway, we're gonna try to take some steel wool and some metal polish and get it cleaned up a little bit more. But I wanted to get it to them to see what they could do with it first. So that was like I think I sent that out 2 weeks ago. So super cool that it got back that quick. Obviously, I have the original insert, which was froze up in there. Let's take these stickers off and let's see how the insert looks on this one. I hate that this sticker's on there because it's not wanting to come off very easy. That's kind of annoying, but we'll get that off with a little Goo Gone or some cleaner here in a little while. Yeah, that left a bunch of smudges. That stinks, but that's okay. We'll get that cleaned up. Anyway, all right, so this is the other side. The other side looks a lot better than the other side. So it was sitting on the frame on this side when I found it, or when I knocked it out. So let's see how easy this is to, oh yeah, she pops right open now. Super cool. So we will have to get some lighter fluid to get in there. That's awesome though. So now we have a functioning lighter. We just need butane. That's awesome though. Super excited about this. So this is probably gonna stay with the wagon. Whether I keep it or sell it or whatever, this will stay probably in the ashtray or the glove box, one or the other. Just as a story, it's kind of cool. So just figured y'all would enjoy that. I was not going to put this video out that quick, but yeah, I know some of y'all have been following along and asking about it. So this is probably the worst corner right here, and then up there by the hinge, but they rebuilt the hinge and everything. So I know these details are probably hard to get zoomed in on, but so this was broken, the hinge had a little issue, and then the flint was completely locked up. So new insert, and she is good to roll. So that's sweet. Glad that came in. There's the update for y'all. That's the end of that whole ordeal with finding a 68 Zippo lighter, which some of you are going to say, how do you know it's 68? On the other video I'll show you, but there's 3 dashes. You cannot see unless this focuses. You can see it sort of there, 3 dashes, Zippo. So 3 dashes on each side is 1968 according to Zippo's website. So I'm guessing somebody had that lighter, was doing exhaust or something underneath it, set it under there, lit a cigarette and forgot about it. So super cool. Anyways, that's the end of the Zippo.